Today's such a beautiful day that today Hunter and I decided to build some sand castles. We got our sand castles started here. Hunter's got our tower going. We're gonna fill this brick up and make it tall.
Don't you dig up my castle. So all of our sand is wet. You need it wet to stick. If it's dry, it just falls out of your hand. You know what the name of this castle is?
What?
The motorbike.
The motorbike castle?
The motorbike. Just the motorbike. There, see?
Moment of truth. Let's see if our brick sticks to the rest of them.
Yay!
We did it! We made a castle! Alright, so it's time to get some sticks so that we can put them around our castle to make it secure to not fall over. So we got our sticks. Let's line them all around our castle. It will be so pretty.